Hello to all our faithful viewers. This is your local ACE reporter, Andre Bangilan, bringing with you another special news report. This time, the topic on hand is the return of Typhoon Pepeng. Typhoon Pepeng has recently ravaged northern Luzon about 3 days ago, where it passed by and did some damage. However, it is now returning to northern Luzon for a second pass. Many residents weren't able to expect this, and so they were unable to prepare correctly, especially since many people were just returning to their houses after returning from evacuation centers. Due to this, many people had lost their lives, houses, and roofs to the very strong winds and rain. Let's now interview one of the many afflicted by this typhoon. Joseph Arshaga, you're in.
The damage of Typhoon Pepeng is extensive. Trees have lost their leaves. Some have been uprooted and smashed into houses. Crops have been devastated by the floods, and fallen electrical poles now act as obstacles to the government's effort to distribute relief goods. Let us now interview one of the residents who have witnessed the horrors of Typhoon Pepeng. Unita, how are you?
Still alive. My home has been flooded and my belongings were washed away. Thank goodness me and my family were safe since we were given warnings right before the typhoon hit. I was actually quite surprised since another typhoon just passed by 3 days ago. We were very unprepared.
What are your plans now?
We'll just rebuild our house. After all, this happens regularly since our area always gets hit by typhoons.
Thank you for your time. Back to you, Andre.
And now, to explain the Fujiwara effect, we have our local meteorologist and weather correspondent, Joseph Arshaga. It's now your turn.
Hello guys, I am now here to explain the Fujiwara effect. The Fujiwara effect is an atmospheric phenomenon that makes typhoons pull around each other while moving around the atmosphere, like a pair of ice skaters rotating hand in hand. The rotation of the typhoons depends on its location. Rotation is counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and vice versa. This is because of the Coriolis effect. The discovery of this effect is accredited to Dr. Sakuei Fujiwara. He discovered this by examining and observing the interactions of water forces. Typhoon Pepeng was followed by Typhoon Kedan, who is now northeast of the Philippines. Typhoon Pepeng was on its way out of PAR, or the Philippine Area of Responsibility, when it was followed by Kedan here. Since the rotation is counterclockwise, Kedan went here while Pepeng went back towards northern Luzon. The effect will continue until Kedan will move upwards towards Okinawa. The Fujiwara effect will weaken, and then Pepeng will go west, leaving the Philippine Area of Responsibility. That is all. Back to you, Andre.
Thank you for that wonderful in-depth explanation on the Fujiwara effect, Joseph Arshaga. Now, the NDRRMC is issuing a warning to everyone to stay in evacuation centers or to evacuate out of the area while they still can. This is Andre Bangilan signing off.